We all love a vintage Casio, right? Well, I certainly do, and in today's video, we'll be unboxing this beauty right here, the Casio AQ230A-2A1 vintage stainless steel watch. It's a unique model as it uses both digital and analog time formats, a trend which we've seen a bit of a resurgence in. With its stainless steel band, resin, chrome-plated case, and stunning sky blue dial, this model is a looker. It's labelled as a unisex watch, which I think is great as honestly anyone could wear this. On the wrist, it fits really well with a lug-to-lug measurement of 38.8mm and a very thin case of just 8.1mm. Like all vintage Casios, this one measures on the more modest side. The stainless steel band is self-adjustable and the whole thing weighs only 47 grams, making this a very easy watch to wear. Jumping back to the dial where the magic happens. A radiant sunburst texture ensures that blue tone really pops. The small digital display resides on the bottom of this dial and displays the time for now. Using this button will cycle through more functions on that digital display, including the date, your daily alarm, a dual time for another city, and a stopwatch. So actually a fair amount of features to use. To change the analog time on these models, you need to push in this little button here found on the other side of the case. A little bit unique, but there you go. There's not going to be a crown on this model to pull out and twist, so a push button is it. Of course, a quartz movement inside this one with a battery life of about 3 years. So there you have it, a unique and interesting vintage Casio. This range comes in a few different colorways, so click the link in the description to shop this range. What do you think about it? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit like if this video was helpful to you and subscribe to the Watch Stepo channel for more watch content. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.